Do you want to paint this? Or this? Or that? I have more, but you have to watch the video to know more. My favorite page, I think. It's working both sides. Yeah, I know. Let's be serious. Or not. Well, I'm not sure my YouTube channel is showing my true passion. My true passion is painting portraits. I love painting portraits, drawing, whatever it is, how you want to call it. And I made this journal, kind of art journal. I don't know what is exactly an art journal, but this sketchbook, let's call it a sketchbook, with different layouts, different portraits. I did that a while ago, trying different mediums, doing things that are, well, so-so. Some are ugly, some are, yeah. But I had fun doing that, but I thought it was a bit complicated. So when I finished it, I had to move to something a bit more art journal style, because this one is more of a sketchbook with portraits than an art journal. So I moved to another one. I wanted to go with more art journal style, and I love bulk journals. I don't know, it's kind of satisfying. So I had fun with this one, with things that are more free, more easy maybe, and yeah, there was no pressure of doing something realistic. I was just doodling, trying stuff, adding stamps, adding stickers, painting on backgrounds, trying different mediums, markers, brush pens, colored pencils, stamps again, yeah, more stamps, and more doodle, gouache. I don't know what it is exactly. This is supposed to be finished one day. And it is very personal. I never plan to share it, even if I am doing it right now. Especially this page, because art is also to express yourself. And yeah, self-portrait. A lot of fun things. Yeah, this one is not finished. So I had these two journals, and this one is almost finished. Not much left to do inside. And I had plenty of time in August, and I wanted to do a new class because I love teaching. Yeah, when you send me what you've been painting from my tutorials and classes, this is such a joy for me. And I love teaching new things to people, just because I've been testing and trying and painting and drawing for a lot of time, and I know how to make things understandable. And so I had a big illumination. I thought, why don't you make a portrait course with an art journal style? And this is what I did. So here is a second sketchbook. See that? I have to. This one is mine. That was never meant for a class. But this one is portrait party. And I am really excited about it. So let me show you what it is inside. I love this sketchbook. By the way, you have the link in description. It's perfect for mixed media. So I have made a course with 30 days and 1 lesson per day, including 3 live coaching sessions, so I can help you go on track. So we will begin with doodles, because you have to begin somewhere, and everyone can do this. And then we are working with or without color, playing with different shapes, and learning that a portrait is not always realistic, and learning to let go the pressure of doing a portrait. Believe me, this is very important. And each day you have a new video with a new lesson, and you can do this. I promise, if you follow along, you can do this. But just don't watch the video. You need to do the actual drawing and painting. And as long as we are going in the days, we are learning things that are a bit more complicated and building on what we've been learning before. This one is easy to do when you have learned the correct lesson before. And going into something that is art journal style, but without too much stuff. The only thing is I use a bit of stickers. If you don't have them, that's fine. You can skip this. Making drawing, hairstyles, another method to draw a portrait, fun drawings, crayons, watercolor, brush pens, crayons, gouache, watercolor and gouache and pen and fountain pen and a lot of things. And the last one is this one. And I promise I can take you from this to that in 30 days. Yes, you can do that. The only thing is you want to do it. That's all. The rest of it is just follow along and it will be fine. I'm really confident about this class. This is my favorite class I've done so far. And I think it's my class number 50 something. I've lost the count. Who's counting when you're having fun? I had a blast doing this class and I hope you will have fun doing it as well. So if you want more info about it, you have everything in the description below. The first session is opening September 1st and it's limited to 50 people because there are 3 live coaching sessions where you send me your art for reviewing it and I can help you go on track. So if you send me this one, for example, and you're saying, well, I had a difficulty with this part, I can help you. So you can go further on something that is really strong. It's nonsense to build on something that is not consistent and strong. This is why I limit to 50 people, because I want to be able to help each and every one of you. So if you're interested, hurry up, because it's filling pretty quickly. And there will be more sessions, so if you miss this one, just go on the link in description and you'll be informed of the next session. So see you for the portrait party.